Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a decluttering spring cleaning kind of video. So if you're interested in that, just keep watching. And yeah, let's get started. So I just woke up, it's my day off. I need to reorganize my life. Like I need to get my life together because I just have like so many ideas, so many things that I want to do, but I feel like I don't have the time. So I also want to like reorganize that part of my life. But let's get ready. So I haven't brushed my teeth yet, so that's what we're gonna do. So if you hear like a little bell, Pikachu is here and she's always following me. So this is my cat. Look at my beautiful baby. She's camera shy. What? Don't do that. She's so cute, my little baby. She always follows me everywhere. She's such a good kitty. Look at her cute. She just doesn't like the camera. So what I used for cleansing my skin was CeraVe. No, Cetaphil. I'm gonna use The Ordinary, the glycoc. Never mind. Hyaluronic acid. CeraVe. And that's normally what I use every day now, but I definitely need a better skincare routine because I'm still working out and I know I'm missing a few things. But this is okay for now for me, but I'm gonna probably do like a skincare haul or Ulta haul just because your girl needs more hydrating skincare. I also just got like a new tattoo like last month and I love it so much. You want to see? It's Finn, Bebo, and Jake. The color came out so nice. They look exactly like how I imagined it. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I got it. But I have so many things that I need to do. I think I'm gonna get started on my room because it's the least decluttering that I need to do. So my bed isn't made right now. So let's get started on my bed. Oh, the bed is all made. Now I do have some clothes on the floor. I also need to take everything out of the drawers because they're so packed and I need to throw out a few things that I don't use. So let's get started on that. This is how the drawers look. Like I said, it's packed to the brim at this point. So let's take everything out. Now, I guess I have to find a better way to organize everything because I do have a lot of clothes, but it also doesn't feel like I have a lot of clothes. So yeah. Plus, I don't have a lot of storage space for my clothes anymore. I got rid of the dresser that I had because it was just taking up too much space. But I do have a lot of clothes now that I'm seeing it. But most of these clothes I don't even wear because I work like 40 hours a week. Ah! Yo, my shit is jam-packed. I do see that my jar is a little bit like dirty, so I'm gonna use a Clorox wipe, so I'll be right back. Okay, so like how Marie Kondo lives, well, used to live her life, because now I heard that she doesn't do this anymore. I'm just gonna see what feels like I want to keep it and what doesn't. I also keep boxes that I really liked. So this I got from I bought a PR package for this collab, and I really like the box because look at how cute it is. So I put this inside my jar, and then I put this in here so that my underwear and everything else, like my bras, are very organized. I finished this side. This is how it's looking. It's much more neater. Here I haven't done my laundry, so there's no underwear. Anyways, everything is organized. And then this is like a mess here. So my DS games, this is Drawn to Life and then Cooking Mama 3. But there's a bunch of other games. I have Brain Age right here. I have Mario and Sonic Olympic Winter Games. I have Super Mario Bros. I have Scribblenauts Collection. And then Tangled. And then the Drawn to Life is in my DS. I just don't know why I have this here. Literally the best games ever. Gotta collect them all. So I got these wax a while ago, and I honestly think that this is way better than having like actual candles. I just put this on the candle wax and it warms it up. These are like the fun sunglasses that I got when I went to Florida. This is like Barbie vibes. They're so cute. Love them so much. And then these I wore more. Where are they? Because I love the shape. Ooh, look at these vibes, bro. These are so cute. And now that I have my contacts, girl, I can see and wear sunglasses. This is like the yoga thing that I decided to buy and then I never used it that often. This is the Oculus. It's my boyfriend's, but he let me use it and I never used it. And my friend hasn't hit me up about it, so. Because she's the one who plays it all the time. But now I have a PC and I'm like, I don't even care. So I put it in here. I think I'm going to end up throwing this out. Oh! Girl, I got money. And this is in here. Why would I throw this out? I have DS games in here. I got Littlest Pet Shop, Imagine Wedding Designer, I have Luigi's Mansion 3D, Imagine Babies. Yo, I remember playing Imagine Babies when I was younger and I beat that shit. And I tried playing it again and I was like, damn, this is boring. I have Cake Mania and I was actually so close to beating it. I might have beat it, but there's this level that just I can't beat. I have Gardening Mama and then I have Super Mario 3D Land. I have so many games. Yo, I have $100 fucking in there. This is like $2. I have money lying around everywhere. And that's not good. See, now there's like space to put like the laundry clothes that I have. And this is the stuff that I'm gonna get rid of because I don't really need that. This is my crafts, my yarn basically organizer. Right here I have all the chunky yarn. This is where I take this to travel, but I do have more yarns here. Yarn. I have some projects that I was working on that I've never finished, by the way. Yarn balls, yarn. Here I have like all of my hooks. This is like a sewing kit. And then here is some fabric that I got. And these are like eyeballs. Ever since I put this, my door cannot close. So that is it for my video. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one. I had a lot of fun, had a lot of productivity done today, so I feel 100 times better. But now I'm gonna be lazy with my kitty and we'll see you soon. Peace.